Superpower. Catastrophic. Revolutionary. Irresponsible. Efficiency creating. Dangerous. These terms have been used to describe artificial intelligence over the past several months. Believe it or not, AI has come to stay. Let us have a look into some of news headlines within the week. The public's anxiety over new AI technology is misguided, according to theoretical physicist Michio Kaku. In an interview with CNN's Fareed Zakaria, the futurologist said chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT will benefit society and increase productivity. But fear has driven people to largely focus on the negative implications of the programs, which he terms glorified tape recorders. OpenAI spends roughly $700,000 per day to run ChatGPT, and Microsoft and other recent investors are covering these costs out of their own pockets. They, however, could turn off the tap if Sam Altman-led company doesn't turn a profit soon, and it may go bankrupt by the end of 2024, according to a report published in Analytics India magazine. Microsoft's $10 billion investment in OpenAI is possibly keeping the company afloat at the moment. But on the other hand, OpenAI projected an annual revenue of $200 million in 2023 and expects to reach $1 billion in 2024, which seems to be a long shot since the losses are only mounting, the report said, and noted that in May this year, OpenAI's losses doubled to $540 million ever since it started developing ChatGPT. This week, Amazon announced that it will begin to leverage generative AI to help customers better understand what customers are saying about a product, without necessarily having to read through dozens of individual reviews. The retailer says it will use the new technology to provide a short paragraph of text right on the product detail page that will highlight the product features and customer sentiment mentioned across the customer reviews. Google is rolling out a few new updates to its nearly 3-month-old Search Generative Experience, SGE, the company's AI-powered conversational mode in search, with a goal of helping users better learn and make sense of the information they discover on the web. The features include tools to see definitions of unfamiliar terms, those that help to improve your understanding and coding information across languages, and an interesting feature that lets you tap into the AI power of SGE while you're browsing. Opera's web browser app for iOS is getting an AI assistant. The company announced this week that Opera for iOS will now include Aria, its browser AI product built in collaboration with OpenAI, integrated directly into the web browser, and free for all users. The AI solution had previously launched on Opera for desktop and Opera for Android, where it has now topped 1 million users. With the addition of iOS support, Aria is available across all major platforms, including Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and now iOS, the company notes. A scientist at Harvard used Google's cloud platform to clone a supercomputer for a heart disease study, in a novel move that other researchers could follow to get around a shortage of powerful computing resources and speed up their work. The study simulated a therapy that aims to dissolve blood clots and tumor cells in the human circulatory system that required an enormous amount of computing power that typically can be harnessed with a supercomputer, according to Harvard professor Petros Koumoudzakos. AMD has unveiled insights from a comprehensive survey of IT leaders, indicating that nearly 50% of enterprises are facing the risk of lagging behind in the adoption of AI. The survey focused on 2,500 IT leaders from the US, UK, Germany, France, and Japan. The findings spotlight both the enthusiasm surrounding AI's potential benefits and the significant challenges that organizations encounter in implementing AI technologies. The survey revealed a compelling enthusiasm for AI's potential advantages, with 3 out of 4 IT leaders expressing optimism about its capabilities. These benefits spanned from amplified employee efficiency to automated cybersecurity solutions. According to the Financial Times, the UK government will host a global AI safety summit at Bletchley Park in November, inviting like-minded countries, AI company executives, and academics to discuss AI safety and regulations. The summit aims to address AI's impact on democracy, cybersecurity, and warfare. Companies such as Microsoft, DeepMind, OpenAI, and Anthropic are expected to attend. The event will cover a range of AI safety topics, from generative AI to ethical considerations and cybersecurity measures. OpenAI, the AI company behind the viral AI-powered chatbot ChatGPT, has acquired Global Illumination, a New York-based startup leveraging AI to build creative tools, infrastructure, and digital experiences. It's OpenAI's first public acquisition in its roughly 7-year history. The terms of the deal weren't disclosed. This brings us to the end of AI Breeders News Roundup this week. See you next week. Thanks for watching.